3D scanning genuinely lets you capture any real-world object and turn it into a digital 3D model. Perfect for restoration, art, reverse engineering, or feeding straight into a 3D printer. In 2026, scanners are more accurate and accessible than ever. I tested 4 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily, we test the products that actually matter for your projects and your life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The 3D Maker Pro Toucan is the genuine best value entry pick, delivering capable, accurate handheld scanning at a genuinely accessible price for hobbyists and beginners. The standout is the genuine combination of solid scanning accuracy and an approachable price, which delivers genuinely detailed 3D captures of objects and even people, without the premium cost of professional-grade scanners, a real advantage for anyone getting started with 3D scanning. The handheld, genuinely portable design lets you scan objects of many sizes with ease, and the accompanying software processes scans into genuinely usable 3D models. The decent scanning speed handles genuine everyday projects efficiently, and the intuitive interface makes the scanning process genuinely approachable for beginners. The compatibility with common 3D printing file formats makes it genuinely easy to send scans straight to a 3D printer, and 3D Maker Pro's reputation for accessible scanning gear backs it. For hobbyists and beginners who want a genuine, capable, accurate 3D scanner without a steep price, the 3D Maker Pro Toucan is the most value-forward, most beginner-friendly pick on this entire list. The 3D Maker Pro Toucan delivers capable, accurate 3D scanning at a genuinely accessible price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. 3D scanning, without the premium price. The Revopoint Inspire 2 is the genuine best overall pick, delivering excellent scanning accuracy, versatile capture modes, and Revopoint's renowned scanning engineering for genuinely professional-feeling results. The standout is the genuine combination of high scanning accuracy and versatile capture capability, which delivers genuinely precise, detailed 3D models across a range of object sizes and types, from small detailed parts to larger objects. Thanks to Revopoint's genuine scanning expertise, a real advantage for anyone who wants reliable, high-quality results across varied projects. The intuitive, genuinely well-designed companion software makes processing scans into clean 3D models genuinely approachable, and the decent scanning speed handles genuine, efficient capture sessions. The portable handheld design suits genuine on-the-go scanning, and the compatibility with 3D printing workflows makes it genuinely easy to go from scan to print. Revopoint's reputation for the best consumer 3D scanners backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best overall combination of accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, the Revopoint Inspire 2 is the most well-rounded, most reliably accurate pick on this entire list. The Revopoint Inspire 2 delivers excellent accuracy and versatile scanning with genuinely professional-feeling results. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. The best all-round 3D scanner. The Matterform 3 is the genuine desktop turntable pick, delivering consistent, high-quality scanning for small to medium objects using a genuinely stable, repeatable turntable-based system. The standout is the genuine turntable-based scanning design, which places your object on a rotating platform for genuinely consistent, repeatable, high-quality captures. Ideal for small to medium objects like figurines, parts, and artifacts, where stability and repeatability matter more than portability, a real advantage over handheld scanning for detailed desktop work. The precise scanning delivers genuinely detailed, accurate models, and the well-designed software makes processing captures into genuinely clean 3D files straightforward. The compact, genuinely desk-friendly design fits neatly into a workspace, and the reliable, consistent results suit genuine, repeated professional or hobbyist use. The compatibility with 3D printing and modeling workflows adds genuine versatility. Matterform's reputation for desktop scanning backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, consistent, high-quality desktop scanner for smaller objects, the Matterform 3 is the most consistent and most desktop-focused pick on this entire list. The Matterform 3 delivers consistent, high-quality desktop turntable scanning for smaller objects. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Consistent, precise desktop scanning. Closing out the list with the 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner, the genuine step-up pick from 3D Maker Pro, delivering enhanced scanning capability and refined features beyond their entry-level Toucan model. Where the Toucan focuses on accessible value, this model steps up with genuinely improved scanning accuracy, speed, or capture range, a real advantage for users who've outgrown entry-level scanning and want more capable results without jumping to premium professional gear. The standout is the genuine step-up scanning performance, which delivers genuinely more detailed, more reliable captures across a wider range of objects and conditions than 3D Maker Pro's entry model, a real advantage for more serious hobbyists and small business users. The handheld, genuinely portable design suits varied scanning projects, and the accompanying software processes captures into genuinely clean, usable 3D models. The compatibility with 3D printing workflows makes it genuinely easy to go from scan to physical object, and 3D Maker Pro's growing reputation in accessible scanning backs it. For users who want genuine, more capable scanning than entry-level options without a premium jump, the 3D Maker Pro 3D scanner is the most step-up, most enhanced capability pick on this entire list. The 3D Maker Pro 3D scanner delivers step-up scanning capability beyond entry-level models, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. More capable scanning, still accessible. Bonus tip: once you've scanned an object, you'll often want to bring it into the physical world again. The Creality Sermoon S1 is a genuinely capable, enclosed 3D printer that pairs beautifully with any of these scanners, letting you take your captured 3D models and print them out as real objects. It's not a scanner itself, so it's not ranked on this list, but if you're building a full scan-to-print workflow, it's genuinely worth checking out. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right 3D scanner, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All the links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right 3D scanner, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.